everyone! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng homemade pizza. It's a fun way to enjoy your meal with your loved ones. Let's get started! So habang nag-cut ng grass yung husband ko dyan sa labas, we will prepare our dough. Sa ating mixing bowl, i-combine lang natin yung mga dry ingredients at saka add na rin natin yung ating oil. And then if it's thoroughly combined, ilalagay na natin yung ating water. And mix it again. And it's time to knead our dough. Or masahiin natin yung ating dough hanggang yung kanyang texture ay smooth. Mga around 3 to 5 minutes of kneading the dough. Lagyan ng oil sa patungan ng dough para hindi ito dumikit. At pwede na natin itong takpan at maghintay ng 30 minutes to an hour. So habang nagre-rest yung ating dough, ipiprepare naman natin yung ating sauce. So these are our ingredients. Gigisahin muna natin yung ating garlic and onion sa oil hanggang ito ay mag-golden brown, and then we will put on our tomato sauce and tomato pastes. And then mix it well. And lagay natin yung ating salt, seasoning, at saka sugar. Mix lang natin and then we are done. So this time para lang mamadali ako matapos. So piniprepare ko na siya for the stretching. So okay lang naman yun kahit hindi siya umabot sa desired na time as long as stretchable naman siya and okay naman yung texture niya pagkaluto. So that's how I stretch it. So depende na sa desired mo na thickness. Then lagyan natin ng oil para hindi dumikit yung ating dough pag ito ay naluto na. And then ilalapad na natin yung ating dough. So depende na lang sa inyo kung gaano ka-thick yung gusto. So mayroon tayong sobrang dough dito at pwede natin yung ilagay sa another pan o di kaya ilagay natin sa freezer for your future use. And then kumuha ko ng tinidor para butas-butasan para madali siyang manuot yung ating sauce mamaya. So for toppings, kayo nang bahala guys kung anong gusto ninyo. But for me, pineapple lang talaga yung available dito sa bundok ngayon. So excited naman nito yung toddler ko. And then it's time to spread our sauce. Put a generous amount of sauce para mas masarap. Then, sprinkle it with cheese of your choice. Sa akin, nilagay ko yung homemade Parmesan cheese. And if you want to know the recipe, please give me a comment below. And then, add your favorite toppings. This time, i-preheat natin yung ating oven sa 200 to 245 degrees Celsius, and then when it's ready, bake it for 13 to 15 minutes. And then enjoy your delicious pizza with your loved ones.
One for you, one for me. Wow! La la la, la la la. Whoa, pizza! 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 One for you, Papa.
Thank you, Jesus, for the food. Thank you for Mama for cooking the pizza and for Kelly. Please. Thank you, Mama. Ba? Thank you, Mama.
Hindi, kuya, hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Doon nag-like hot sauce.
Magaan yung hot sauce, Mama, kayo. Share ka magaling yan.
So I hope you all enjoy your delicious pizzas and feel free to explore with different toppings and flavors. Bon appetit!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.